And here we are given that in a geometric progression, sum of infinite terms is 6 and sum of first two terms is 9 by 2. Then what is the first term? Right. When we are given sum of infinite terms, that automatically means the ratio, common ratio is lying between minus 1 and 1. Right. Let's write these two formulae and see where it goes. Sum of first two terms, a plus ar, is equaling 9 by 2 equals 9 by 2, right? Geometric series is ar square, ar cube, ar power 4, etc. etc. Right. At the same time, sum of infinite terms when r is like between minus 1 and 1, sum of infinite terms is a by 1 minus r. We already discussed this. We may give a proof also, one of our other videos. Right. So a by 1 minus r is equaling 6 equals 6. What does that mean? A equals 6 times 1 minus r. Right. At the same time, a plus ar, that is sum of first two terms is 9 by 2. This implies a times 1 plus r is equaling 9 by 2. We are taking a common here. A times 1 plus r is equal to 9 by 2. Now a is 6 times 1 minus r. Let's take this part and substitute here. So 6 times 1 minus r times 1 plus r is equaling 9 by 2. 6 1 minus r into 1 plus r is 1 minus r square, right? So 6 minus 6 r square is equaling 9 by 2. What does that mean? If you simplify this, 6 minus 9 by 2, 6 minus 9 by 2 is 6 minus 4.5 is 1.5. 1.5 is equaling 6 r square. That means r square equals 1 by 4. That means r is plus or minus half. Right. R square is 1 by 4. R equals plus or minus half. Now, if r is plus half, then what is a? A is the first term, right? A is the first term. A equals 6 times 1 minus r. 1 minus half is half. 6 times half is 3. If r is plus half. If r is minus half, then 1 minus minus half. Right? 1 plus half. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 times 6. 1.5 times 6, which is 9. So A can be 3 or 9. That means the first term, it can be 3 or it can be 9. It's such a simple problem. Just that we need to write these two algebraic forms, these two forms, and then we automatically will achieve this result. Thank you, guys.